Welcome! In front of me I have Zepp E watch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Zepp application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. After the application opens, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon to open the profile page, and here you should see the list of my devices, and on this list you should see the Zepp E watch. Now tap on it to select it, then scroll down through this page, find the unpair button and tap on it, then tap on unpair again and tap on it again to confirm. This is the permissions. I'm just gonna tap on don't allow for now, and once you unpair the watch, it will disappear from the app. Also, it will reset itself to the factory default settings, but we need to also go to the settings on our iPhone and remove it from the Bluetooth, basically forget the Bluetooth device. So tap on got it, close the app, open the settings on your iPhone, tap on Bluetooth option, and here on the list of my devices you will see Zepp E watch. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on the forget this device, and tap on forget this device to disconnect this watch from your iPhone. And at this point the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.